Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this tutorial, let us learn how to merge cells in Excel using a VBA code. Let me show this using this sample data range. Let us first write a small code to merge these cells C4 and C5. Go to the VBA editor window and type the code as sub space VBA underscore merge. Press enter and type the code as range. Open the parenthesis. In the inverted quotes, give the range as C4 to C5. Close the inverted quotes and the parenthesis dot and select the option merge. Okay, now go to the Excel sheet and run the macro to see the cells C4 and C5 merging like this. Got it? Okay, now let us try to merge the cells based on our selection. Go to VBA editor window again and instead of the range in this VBA code, type as selection. Okay, now come to the Excel, select the range from C6 to C20 and then run the macro to merge this selected cell range. Okay, the drawback of this method is that we can have only the data of the first cell into this merged cell. Okay, unlike if you want to combine the data and then merge these cells, you have to write a different code like this. I'm mentioning this code in the description as well for your ready reference. Once you're done with this VBA code, go to the Excel now. This time, select the range as D6 to D20 and run the macro. You will see that cells getting merged with the combined data, unlike our previous example. Got it, friends? You can make use of these three types of macros to further enhance to meet your needs. So friends, this is all about how to merge cells in the Excel using a VBA code. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.